Hey devs and shortcut seekers! Today on BlackSattai AI, we're reviewing a lightweight browser-based AI coding tool that's made for speed and simplicity. It's called AskCodi, and it's designed to help you write quick code, generate SQL, build APIs, and even create UI components, all from plain English prompts. Let's break it down. What is AskCodi? AskCodi is a web-based AI coding assistant built for developers who want fast answers, clean snippets. No IDE installs. It covers over 25 languages and supports tasks like code generation, skill query builder, API boilerplate, React plus HTML components, code explanation, and test generation, all from a simple chat-style interface. How to use AskCodi? Go to AskCodi.com, tool, code generation, SQL, test cases, etc. Enter your request in plain English. Could be the result, clean code in seconds. No login needed for basic use. Example prompts: write a function to reverse a string in Python, generate a CRUD API in Node.js, write SQL to get top 5 products by revenue. Who should use AskCodi? Students working on coding assignments, freelancers building quick components, or testers generating unit tests. Fast developers who want code, not conversations. Pros: fast, no setup tool, web-based, works anywhere, simple UI with focused tools, support structured code tasks, API, SQL, UI, docs. Free to try, pro plans available. Cons: lacks deep repo context like Copilot or Codi. Not great for large-scale or multi-file projects. Web UI only, no IDE extensions, limited customization on free tier. Privacy and data: AskCodi uses OpenAI and other models under the hood, so assume your input is processed in the cloud. Don't paste sensitive data unless you're on a secure plan. BlackSattai Verdict: AskCodi is not your full-time coding partner. It's your fast task sidekick, ideal for quick fixes, small components, and structured prompts. If you just need code, fast and clean, AskCodi delivers. Another tool, another truth. This is BlackSattai AI.